Singapore medical tourism. The World Health Organization ranks Singapore healthcare systems as the best in Asia. With the well-respected doctors trained in the best center in the world internationally, accredited hospitals and specialty center, a global reputation as a medical conventions and training center and a fast-growing basic and clinical research hub. Singapore is a medical hub serving the Asia and the world. The high standard in medical service and delivery, Singapore provides medical visitors the assurance of peace of mind. Medical visitors will feel at ease, especially when they are in a multi-racial country like Singapore. English, Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil are also widely spoken. Apart from this, translator and guide for Arabic, France, German, Indian, Japanese, and Korean are also available to assist them, providing them a seamless healthcare experience in Singapore. So now we are going to introduce you the Ang Mo Kio Tie Hua Kwan Hospital, which are formerly known as the Ang Mo Kio Hospital. The Ang Mo Kio Tie Hua Kwan Hospital is set up with the primary objective of providing a one-stop healthcare center for inpatients, outpatient medical consultations, and rehabilitation purposes. Unlike other hospitals, Ang Mo Kio Tie Hua Kwan Hospital does not have operating theatre. That is why most patients here are transferred from their respected hospitals after their operations for recovery purposes.
The practice of traveling to another country to receive medical treatment is known as medical tourism. Medical tourism can be a win-win for all. Singapore can draw medical travelers. Why is that so? Medical tourism can push Singapore's GDP contribution from this sector above US $1.6 million. A typical length of stay for foreign patients is about 3 to 5 days, and they will often bring about 3 to 6 family members with them. They will therefore need accommodation, places to eat out, as well as areas to shop when not visiting the patient. In this way, it will boost the tourism industry. In addition, there may be outpatients among them. Thus, their stay in Singapore will be longer, boosting the sector as well. At the same time, contributions made to Singapore's GDP will increase too. Another reason why medical tourism can be a win-win for all is that Singapore has been expanding its reputation by improving our medical technology. For example, the separation of Iranian twin sisters who came to Singapore for the operation. Another example is the successful separation of the 10-month-old Nepalese conjoined twins in the year 2001. This put Singapore medical expertise into headlines in the world, gaining a reputation in the medical sector. Furthermore, Singapore is the Asia's leading medical hub, with advanced research capabilities as well as 9 hospitals and 2 medical centers that have obtained Joint Commission International Accreditation, in short JCI. JCI's principal appeal is to the US market. Thus, we can broaden our industry to other countries other than neighboring countries. With the advanced technology in the medical industry, it benefits Singapore in the tourism sector. Also, patients can recuperate well, increasing their rate of recovery.
In 2005, some of the 374,000 visitors to Singapore came solely to seek healthcare or medical treatment. Singapore is one of the leading countries in Asia that has the most sophisticated technology for medical treatment, thus enabling the foreign patients to receive the most advanced medical treatment when they visit Singapore. Apart from the advanced technology for medical treatment, Singapore is one of the leading countries due to its excellent healthcare services. This ensures the foreign patients to be well taken care of while they receive treatment in Singapore. As the currency exchange rate is much lower than other regions such as US and Europe, these foreign patients will find themselves paying cheaper medical fees as compared to other regions.
On December 2006, Singapore has hosted the first International Medical Travel Conference, which was highly supported by the Singapore Tourism Board. This conference gives an opportunity to establish ties and clinch business deals through the networking sessions. During the 4-day event, leading players in the medical travel industry shared insights on issues and challenges faced in this booming industry. A press launch of the International Medical Travel Association was held at the event, which aims to bring together the international community of medical travel organizations, creating opportunities for networking and business development, and to protect the rights of the international medical travelers. Medical Tourism Asia 2007 was successfully launched on February at the Sheraton Towers Hotel, Singapore. Over 120 delegates from more than 21 countries attended the conference. Attendees shared their valuable knowledge with one another through the discussions. There was a press launch of the book, Patients Without Borders, Everybody's Guide to Affordable World-Class Medical Tourism, written by Mr. Joseph Woodman. This book provides medical travelers with useful information that includes step-by-step instructions for a successful and cost-effective journey. Medical Tourism Asia 2008 will be held from 25 to 28 March at the Rasa Sentosa Resort, Singapore. This conference will gather top healthcare professionals from across Asia and internationally to address the foremost concern in the industry today. This will include the safety standards and ethical issues. 2 site tours will be organized for the benefit of the attendees. Site Tour A will introduce on the breakthrough in the medical arena by being the world's first digitally integrated Nutrascience Center, a new facility from the National Nutrascience Institute located at Singapore General Hospital. Site Tour B will be a visit to the National Liver Transplant Program facilities at National University Hospital.
Singapore is recognized for being the leading business hub in Asia, way ahead of many countries. There was a medical breakthrough when a team of doctors and medical professionals successfully separated Nepalese twins that placed Singapore on the world medical map. Many international patients come to Singapore for many reasons like heart and brain surgery, health screening, and sometimes cancer treatment. The reason being, Singapore assures them of world-class healthcare system that focuses on safety and excellence. Singapore prefers to focus on medical travel, which goes beyond surgery plus vacation for cosmetic and commoditized surgeries to being a multi-phase medical hub for the region. This is part of their marketing strategy. Due to this, the government came up with a multi-agency initiative called Singapore Medicine. The initiative includes agencies like Ministry of Health, Singapore Tourism Board, and Economic Development Board. Working hand in hand to promote medical tourism, Ministry of Health has taken the role of raising the standard and quality of Singapore's medical and healthcare services and developing Singapore into Asia's leading healthcare services hub. The role of Singapore Tourism Board is to spearhead the marketing aspects, looking into raising service delivery for foreign patients and develop overseas transfer channels. Singapore Tourism Board has taken a further step to bring healthcare providers and travel agents together to develop suitable healthcare travel packages. By packaging the hospitality element, it will be more convenient for those who want to travel to Singapore for healthcare. In conjunction with the launch, Singapore Tourism Board has invited a group of travel trade professionals from China to try out a new health screening leisure package. This package combines health screening with leisure components such as visits to tourism attractions, spa, and a golf game.